Alright guys, so my big battery charger died finally. We repaired it a couple times. So I bought the schumacher, I don't know how you pronounce that. It's sc1309, and we're gonna unbox it and pop it together. So we're doing a video on that. So first thing I'm gonna do is cut this tape and we'll get her opened up. Alright, so I just popped this bottom open. The wheels are already on in this. I'm just going to go ahead and slide this out. Alright, so I got this thing out, and there's no putting it together. It's already together. Handle just pulls up. There's little balls, you push them in on each side to be able to slide the handle back down. Got spots for the alligator clips to clip onto. Let's roll her on outside and hook her up to this generator. I'm gonna hook it up to this guy. Alright, so we're gonna hook up the positive to the positive. There we go. Negative to the negative. Then we're going to plug it in. I need two hands. As soon as I plugged it in, it started reading voltage. There we go. It says 12.3. Hit start. It says on. Oh, look. I think it does the alternator. Standard. We'll just charge maintain. We'll do the 40 amp boost. Nope, that turned it off. That turned it on. I guess it's on. Can't tell. Except for the voltage. But yeah, that's it. Alright, she's doing her thing. Alright guys, hope this helped you. If I can find this, I'll put a link in the description. Peace.